Alright guys, we got a high wind warning.
What? West winds 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 80 miles per hour possible. Where? Jefferson and West Douglas counties above 6,000 feet. Gilpin Clear Creek / Northeast Park counties below 9,000 feet. South and Southeast Grand West Central and Southwest Boulder Gilpin Clear Creek / Summit Woods and West Park counties above 9,000 feet. Larimer and Boulder counties between 6,000 and 9,000 feet, and South and East Jackson, Larimer North and Northeast Grand Northwest Boulder counties above 9,000 feet counties. When? From 11 p.m. this evening to 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds may blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects, and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. This is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service. For the following locations
Alright guys,
in Colorado.
high wind warning for my county. Sorry I couldn't get like the starting tones. I was actually downstairs on the computer. And so the E-ton zone guard did not go off. It's plugged in actually. But the Radio Shack 12-262 finally went off. So that's pretty good.